Welcome back, everybody, to Shed Build Part 3. I just got the call. The guy's here with the shells, so we're going to go outside. We're going to get those delivered, and then we got to get that foundation prepped for that shed coming in. Check it out. All right, welcome back. So step 3 of the shed setup. We got the 4 cubic yards of shells delivered today. So you'll see that in the video. We got the dump truck came in, backed up in here, dumped all this in. So now we got to take all this shell, flatten it all out after they're done screwing around in it. Flatten this out, make it all level, because we got that shed coming in here shortly. So we got to get this down, leveled out, and ready to go. So that way we have proper foundation for the shed, as well as proper drainage underneath it. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna time lapse this. We're gonna get this all flat. We're gonna use the level. We're gonna make sure everything's leveled out so the shed works well. Stay tuned. So like I said in part 2, we need to grab dirt from where we put our BB backstop, bring that back over to where we just moved it from, and backfill our edger all the way around the shed. The boys are already over here. They're getting to work. They're moving the shell. So we got 4 cubic yards of this stuff that we have to flatten out and level. Getting to work, and we're gonna time lapse most of this so you're not sitting here watching us just move a bunch of shell around. We're gonna get this done. We got the shed coming. We gotta get our garage back so we can actually work on our motorcycles. All right, it's like 1,000 degrees out there, so we're inside taking a quick break, getting some drinks, drinking some water, staying hydrated. We'll get right on back out there in just a moment. Okay, so several hours later, step 3 is almost done. We decided we need to go get a couple more tools. We're gonna get a tamp to properly pack this stuff down rather than trying to step on it with our feet the whole way around the entire thing. But we got all of it leveled out for the most part, mostly flat. These guys did a great job. Appreciate it. Bye-bye. So basically the next step that you're gonna see, we're gonna come in the video, we're gonna have a tamp, we're gonna do a better level system, and we're gonna get all this flattened and properly leveled out. But we do have the edge guard standing straight now, and we got all 4 cubic yards of shells laid out. So we're just about there. Anything you guys gotta say?
Make sure to like and subscribe and share.
Boom. What about you? No? All right. See you guys later. Appreciate it.